Respondus Monitor is a fully automated proctoring solution for online exams. It is used by more than 1,500 universities with hundreds of millions of exams each year and integrates seamlessly with tests in McGraw-Hill's ALEKS Placement, Preparation, and Learning platform. It starts with Lockdown Browser, a custom browser that prevents digital cheating during online tests. When used alone, Lockdown Browser is designed for proctored settings. It's the standard for locking down the student's device. Lockdown Browser is provided directly by ALEKS, and it is required for the use of Respondus Monitor. This is an ALEKS placement test in Lockdown Browser. It's open full screen and there's no menu bar or web address field. Students cannot print or copy test content, visit other websites, or open other applications. They can't use function or command keys or keyboard shortcuts. And they can't access the Start menu, dock, or system tray. They cannot share their screen, use AI tools, or search online for answers to test questions. Because it's a native application, Lockdown Browser can stop many kinds of potential exploits that extensions cannot. Respondus Monitor builds on the power of Lockdown Browser. It's a fully automated proctoring solution, available anytime, anywhere. It uses the student's own webcam to record the exam session. Respondus Monitor then analyzes the video and exam session to provide meaningful results. A simple report conveys the risk level for the session, which makes the post-exam review efficient. The entire video is also available for further investigation. Students using Respondus Monitor start from a regular browser, log into the ALEKS platform, and navigate to the test from there. If they have never used Lockdown Browser with a test in ALEKS previously, they can do a one-time installation from here to a supported device. Once installed, Lockdown Browser will automatically launch, and then the student will go through the Respondus Monitor pre-exam startup sequence. That includes a webcam check, access to built-in troubleshooting, and 24/7 live chat technical support if needed. The pre-exam steps that students go through can be customized, like this one that has the student show a form of ID. Then the ALEKS placement test begins. Remember, the student is still using Lockdown Browser, so they can't access digital resources on the device. At the end, the student would submit the exam for grading and the video recording ends. It's also a very seamless experience to set up the exam and review the post-exam results right within the ALEKS PPL platform. Once an initial setup is done, Respondus Monitor and Lockdown Browser are required from the placement assessment parameters. Simply select the Respondus Monitor proctoring option for the test. Additional settings can be modified from the Respondus Monitor dashboard below the list of assessments. Those settings include options to record the screen of the student's device, require students to create a video of their surroundings, allow students to submit photos of handwritten work, and more. After an exam, the student data can be reviewed from the same dashboard under proctoring results. A class roster and summary of what happened during the test is here, along with the duration of the video and more. A summary at the top includes the review priority scoring system, high, medium, or low, that helps to identify which exam sessions require deeper scrutiny. In many cases, anything more than a cursory scan isn't necessary. But if needed, it's easy to dig deeper and view the video and more data about the exam session, such as a timeline, flagged events, and a set of thumbnails, which offer an efficient way to scan the entire exam session and even view segments of video. Switching to the screen recording view syncs the flags, milestones, and thumbnails. The sensitivity of the flagging and priority can also be changed in the results and include a flag for handheld devices. There's a built-in guide to understanding proctoring results here. To get started, this page on the Respondus website includes videos, instructions for setting up the license, and frequently asked questions. And to ensure the first exam runs smoothly, have students take an ungraded practice quiz that requires the use of Lockdown Browser and Respondus Monitor. Students should use the same device and network, and they can make use of the live chat support if needed. Lastly, Respondus offers flexible licensing options for institutions who want to use Respondus Monitor with placement tests in ALEKS PPL. There's a one-time setup done by the ALEKS representative. Institutions can link to their existing Respondus Monitor license, or pass the cost to students in the form of a flat $5 fee per ALEKS placement test with an unlimited number of attempts. Contact your ALEKS rep for other licensing options. Thanks for watching. Please visit respondus.com/ALEKS for additional information.